I'm gonna pull the fire alarm at school when there's no fire. Ha ha. Now time to run. It looks like we're having a fire drill. Let's leave this school building now. Lester, I saw you on cameras pulling the fire alarm at school when there's no fire. Why on earth would you do that? I did that as a funny prank. Haha. That is not a funny prank. You could have get arrested for that because pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire is against the law. For that, you are suspended for the rest of the week. Go home now. I'm calling your parents. Lester, we can't believe you pulled a fire alarm at school when there's no fire. But I did that as a funny prank. Not a funny prank. You could have get arrested for that when there's no fire. You only pull the fire alarm when there's fire, not for pranks. For that, you're grounded until your suspension time is over. Go to your room now.